guys, welcome to Notary to Notary's E-Notary training course. So in this course, we're going to go over a few things. What is an E-Notary? We're going to go over how to get your E-Notary license, your digital certificate, your notary seal, and how to apply for your E-Notary license with the state. After you're certified as an E-Notary, we're going to go over what platforms you can use to notarize documents electronically, such as NotaryCam, Notarize, or Doc Verify. We're also going to go over how to market your E-Notary services. This is a fairly new field that's starting to grow exponentially, so we want to make sure that when people are searching for E-Notary services, your name is found. Most importantly, we're going to go over how to charge and good record keeping as an E-Notary. So let's get started.